Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now it's time to our science class. Open your book of New Oxford Primary Science. As you all know, we are doing our chapter the human body, and today our topic is living things and non-living things. So open page number 7, and today we are going to start the word take the living things, cross the non-living things. You can see here there are so many pictures. So students, tell me, can you guess, is this a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, this is a plant and this is living thing object. Okay, this is a cat. Can you guess, is this living thing or non-living thing? Yes, this is also living thing because it is animal. Look at this. This is a turtle. Is this turtle a living thing or non-living thing? Living thing. So you have to tick on this. You can see this is a picture of hat. Hat is living thing object or non-living thing object? It is non-living thing object. So you have to cross on it. Okay students, now I have done these 4 pictures. So you have to do these 4 pictures by yourself. I hope you understand very easily. Look at second question is, look at the picture below, circle the part of the body that is being used for action. Look at this picture. You can see what the man is doing. Man is touching the laptop. How can he touch the laptop? He touched by his hand. So you have to circle the part of the body that is being used for each action. So he is using his hand. Look at this picture. What he is doing? He is listening. So he is listening by his ears. So you have to circle on ears. Look at the man. What he is doing? He is seeing. So how can he see? He can see by his eyes. So you have to circle on eyes. Okay, students, look at this. So you have to do this by yourself. I hope you understood very easily. You can see the girl is smelling, and the boy is sitting by his knee, and the man is doing exercise by his legs, and the woman is eating by her mouth. So you have to circle on them. Okay, next is the activity. You have to do this activity in your copy. You have to make this activity in your copy very colorful. So look at this. These are the living things and these are the non-living things. Can you see? Cat is living thing. Boy is also living thing. Tree is also living thing object. So you have to write these 3 more by yourself. And this is non-living thing activity. So pencil is non-living thing, box is non-living thing, and house is also non-living thing. So you have to write 3 names more of non-living things by yourself. I hope students you understood this topic very easily, and till then take